Throughout the year, the international team of BEOPEN project has been working on the subject of design of sensors. So Sound Portal became one of the stages of that research. It was first assembled in September on Trafalgar Square in London, and since then a number of higher educational establishments in London expressed interest to use the technology of Sound Portal for educational work. So together with them, we've taken the decision to use the portal for educational purposes. And this is how our cooperation with the University of Arts London started. Since January, 3 of the colleges of the London School of Arts, Chelsea, London College of Communications and St. Martin's, have been holding training sessions, seminars and lectures using the Sound Portal technology. So the work created by all those students was actively using the technology provided by the Sound Portal. Today, by launching the Sound Symposium, we are finalizing this period of research into the design of sound. It's interesting to note that some of the work created was exploring both the sphere of art and the sphere of our environment. So some of them deal with the influence of sound on our environment. But the main thing is that all the work created by the students is innovative. It's really avant-garde. And it reflects very precisely the idea behind the foundation, which is to support young creative people whose ideas will influence our future.